Hit it, boys.
We've been on multiple tours with MotoVermont, and what's really great about it, some of the areas here in Vermont that normally, people outside or living in other areas would never naturally see. Get to see some really exciting aspects of Vermont.
No, yeah. What are the benefits of it?
They got the right mix, dirt roads and then class 4 roads, so it's challenging. And to kind of develop your skills to that next level. Every time you come back, you're more confident in what you can do.
Well, we've had 4 pretty incredible days of riding. We're here back in Lincoln where we started, and I just wanted to point out one of our favorite stops. This is the Lincoln General Store. As we're riding around Vermont on these awesome dirt roads and trails, it's really important to us to support the local businesses along the way. Local Vermont stores are well known for using local ingredients, fresh stuff that's oftentimes grown right down the road, so we like to take advantage of that. It provides some awesome food, and also it's great to support our neighbors and the people that live along the trails and roads that we're riding. Now we're going to finish up some lunch and head back out on the trail.